Okay guys, hi. Let's solve this. So the first three terms of a geometric series are A, 720, and B, where A is less than 720 and 720 is less than B. Was the sum of the digits of the least possible value of B. Okay, so we know that A times P over Q is equal to 720. And that 720 times P over Q is equal to 80, or is equal to B. We need to find the smallest possible integer that when multiplied, and we pretty much only need the A times P squared over Q squared is equal to B. Or that's just another requirement, I guess. So, how do we find... Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. How do we find the smallest version of B, given A? Maybe we should work with this. I think this is the best thing to work with so far. 720 times P over Q is equal to B. So B is an integer, so Q must be some combinations of the factors of 720. So 720 is equal to, of course, 72 and 10, which is 72 is 6 times 12. So, right? Yeah. So this is 2 times 5. This is, well, this is 9 times 2 to the 3. So it's 2 to the 4 times 3 to the 2 times 5. Just to check, this is 16, this is 9. That would be 144 times 5. Yeah. So that must be in Q. And then, you just must have another factor on the top. So, let's rewrite this. So we have A times P over Q is equal to 2 to the 4 times 3 squared times 5. So there must be a factor, there must be one of these in P. So why don't we say that this is times 3 over 2. Yeah, let's try that. So A times 3 over 2. So multiply by 2 divided by 3. A would be equal to 2 to the 5 times 3 times 5, which is equal to 32 times 3 times 5, which is equal to, that would be 96 times 5, which is equal to 500 minus 20, which would be 480. That's like a huge gap, and we don't want a huge gap, but hey, it's fine. And we're just testing this out. And then 720 times 3 over 2 is equal to B. So 720 over 2 would be 360. 360 times 3 would be 900, 180, or 1080, right? Equals B. So that's 1080. let's see, because I believe we took out... Don't we want to take out the smallest factor? Take out... This needs to be above 1. So we need to take out... Sorry. Take out... In this fraction of a, we need to take out the smallest, put in the largest? No. We need to put in the smallest, take out the largest. And I believe that's the best combination. Because what we have is 1.5 for 3 over 2. We could do 2.5. We could do 1.66. We could do... Nothing else is better than any of this. Oh, 5 over 4 maybe? Which would be 1.25. Let's try that out. So divide out 5 on both sides, then just a is equal to 2 to the 6 times 3 squared. A is equal to 64 times 9, which is equal to 540 plus 36, which would be 576. Okay, now let's see if that works for B. So 720 times 5 over 4 is equal to B. So divide out 4, we get 180 times 5 would be 500 and 900, which is just the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna try one more I've thought of. What if we do 3 squared over 5 times 2? Or sorry, 5 times 2 over 3 squared. So, oh no. A times 10 over 9 is equal to 720. So this becomes 72. And then A is equal to, that would be 6, 3, so 6, 4, 8. Yeah. So, and then B, 720 times 10 over 9 is equal to B. Over 9, this is 80. So 800 is equal to B. Did I do this wrong somehow? I got 8 as an answer. That's not even an option. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Let's see. Can I think of any more closest to? So we have 10 over 9, which is like 1.11 or something. We could do 45 over 16. Over 16, we can do 15. 16 over 15. Yeah. So A times 16. No, let's just do B. B times 2 to the 4 times 2 to the 4 over 2 over 3 times 5 is equal to 2 to the 4 times 3 squared times 5. 5's don't cancel out. 2 to the 4 cancels out. So b is equal to 3 to the 3 times 5 squared. B is equal to 27 times 25. 27 times 25 gives me 35, 100, 140, and 400, which gives me 5, 7, 6, 6, 7, 5. Add them together, we get 13 plus 5 is 18. 18, I think, will be my answer. I'm fairly confident about that. I think that's the smallest gap we can get with these numbers. Because the only one we didn't utilize is 1, 3. Can't really make anything smaller with just 1, 3. Let's check. It's 21. 16 over 15 is what we did. Got 768 for the last value of b. So 720 times 16 over 15. 720 times... Oh my god. Am I an actual idiot? I did the calculation for A, and then the actual thing would have been B is 720 times 16 over 15 is equal to B, and then divide by 3 times 5, so we get 2 to the 4 times 16, 2 to the 4 times 3 times 2 to the 4 is equal to B. So 2 to the 8 times 3, 2 to the 8 would be 256 times 3, which would be 600, 100, 750, 768, which yields a value of 21. But I was like so close. I was so close. I was so close. It's a simple error. Well, I'm gonna count that as a win in my books, but like, yeah. Thank you. Because I got the thing right. I just did a very small whoopsie daisy at the end. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.